ended here, right? The next step we're doing, our legs are going to step left, right, right, left, left, right. You're gonna switch your weight to your right. So all your weight should be on your right, and you're gonna drag this left leg. Yes. So all together, that footwork after you just ended here, you're going right, left, right, switch weight, drag. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right, left, right, switch weight, drag. Now for my arms are kind of swaying to the right. When I go right, and then when I go left, it swings to the left. And then when I go right, switch my weight, bring it in. Real tempo, just the footwork, okay? A little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, switch, drag. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, switch, drag. Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, switch, drag. Last time, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, switch, drag. Now, we are going to do a little march. Right, left, right, left. For 4 counts. That's what your feet are doing, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And there's like a little roll in your body. Yes. While you're doing that march. Okay? While you're marching, your right arm is going to push back first, and you're going to step back just a little. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna come back up, and you're gonna push that left leg, that left arm. Okay? So we just dragged our left foot to us, and then we're pushing back 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so that march should be consistent. Don't go 1, 2, 3. You know what I mean? Don't stop the march. Keep it continuous. Bring it up. Yes. So after you just push that left arm forward, you are leaning to the right, and you're leaning, you're crossing over. Yes, just a little bit, it's like a little tap. Then your right foot goes back, and then bring it back together. So when your right arm goes back, when your right foot goes back, your right arm goes back, and then you bring it together again. Back together, yes. Back together. So all together from the march. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. We're almost done. Okay. Got that 1. 1, and make sure you're like really leaning, like cross, and back together. Yes. So let's go slowly from here. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, footwork. 1, 2, 3, and drag. Push and push and hop, 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 hop. Yes. Good job. Let me finish it out because we're almost done. We have like 1 more 8 count. Okay. This next footwork, your feet are going right, left, right, left, right. But the goal is to keep it as little as possible